Let's find a quick way to find the squares of these numbers.
So, since we know that 101 plus 1 equals 102, first we'll write 102 here. Now the square of 1 is 1, so we'll write 0, 1. So our answer is 100,002. Wait, no, stop, pause. So since we know that 101 plus 1 is 102, we'll write 102 here, and then the square of 1 is 1. So the answer is 10,201. Now, if you can keep up, I'm going to write the answers for these. If you want, you can write these down and do the questions for yourself. If you got all these answers correct, if you got all these answers correct, congratulate yourself. Goodbye, guys. Hope you learned a lot from this video.
Thank you for teaching us a quick way to find the squares of these numbers.